Yama Tutorial Group, and today with me, Bernard Mponda. I'll be presenting on discounting as one of the aspects of time value of money. So discounting refers to the calculation of present value. So there's a formula here, present value is equal to amount. This amount is also called principal, divided by 1 plus interest rate to the power number of years. So from there we look at our example. The example reads, compute the present value of an investment that use 100,000 to be received in 10 years if the rate of interest is 4%. Compute the present value of an investment that used 100,000 to be received in 10 years if the rate of interest is 4%. So let's break down the question. Amount to be received is equal to 100,000. The interest rate is equal to 4%. Number of years is equal to 10 years. So from what we are given here, we can easily solve the question. Using our example, present value is equal to, the amount is 100,000 divided by 1 plus interest rate. So we'll convert the interest rate to remove the percentage. So it's going to be 0.04 to the power number of years, which is 10. So from here we'll have something like this. After punching in your calculators, we'll find the answer. So this is how we can solve discounting on the present value. So if you find this video better, please like our page, follow us, and subscribe to our account.